In the world of data-driven decision-making, two roles stand out: data analysts and business analysts. Both careers are critical, but which one pays more? Let's dive into the intricacies of these professions to find an answer. Data analysts are the detectives of the digital age. They sift through vast amounts of data, using statistical tools and programming languages like Python and R to extract meaningful insights. These insights help organizations understand trends, evaluate performance, and plan strategically. Their skill set is heavily technical, often requiring a solid foundation in mathematics, statistics, and computer science. On the other hand, business analysts act as the bridge between the technical world and business operations. They identify business needs and find solutions through technology and process improvements. They often work closely with stakeholders to recommend ways that will enhance business efficiency. Their expertise lies in understanding business processes and transforming data-driven insights into actionable strategies. Now, let's talk money. The salary of both roles can vary significantly based on factors like location, industry, experience, and education. However, data from various industry reports suggests that on average, data analysts earn a slightly lower salary compared to business analysts. A typical range for data analysts falls between $45,000 to $75,000 annually. Conversely, business analysts often start with a higher median salary, generally between $50,000 and $90,000 a year. The reason can be attributed to their role's direct impact on business strategy and revenue optimization. Additionally, as experience and expertise grow, business analysts can transition into more lucrative positions such as project managers or consultants. It's also worth noting that specialized data analysts, like data scientists or machine learning engineers, can surpass the average business analyst in terms of salary, depending on their expertise and the complex nature of their task. Ultimately, the choice between data analyst and business analyst should not solely be based on salary. Passion, skills, and long-term career goals should also play a pivotal role in this decision. Both careers offer promising growth opportunities in our increasingly data-centric world. So evaluate what excites you more: unraveling the mysteries hidden in data or shaping business strategies, and let that guide your career choice.